Does Python evaluate ifs conditions lazily? For example, if I have the following statement. If foo1 is true, will Python check the condition of foo2?
Yes, Python evaluates Boolean conditions lazily. The docs say, the expression x and y first evaluates x. If x is false, its value is returned. Otherwise, y is evaluated and the resulting value is returned. The expression x or y first evaluates x. If x is true, its value is returned. Otherwise, y is evaluated and the resulting value is returned.
And or is lazy. And is not lazy.
Python's laziness can be proved by the following code. On the other hand, would cause both foo and bar to be printed.
This isn't technically lazy evaluation, it's short-circuit Boolean expressions. Lazy evaluation has a somewhat different connotation. For example, true lazy evaluation would likely allow this. But Python doesn't. Python is also nice in that it echoes its Boolean arguments. For example, an OR condition returns either its first truthy argument or the last argument, if all arguments are falsy. And an condition does the inverse. So echo argument Booleans means 2 and 1. Evaluates 2 and, or 1 or 2. Evaluates to 1.